But here we have the cutter above the surface. On the planer, it's underneath. What we do is we put our wood in here and then come out in the other end. An important thing is we have a minimum length of 35 centimeters. It's the same on the planer. Can't work with solid wood which is shorter than 35 centimeters. Here it's because we have a walls here pulling it forward. There's one in front of the cutter as well. Between those two, there's 35 centimeters. So if your wood is shorter, it won't come out in that end of the machine. It would come out like this, up there. And then you have to go out to the container and find it and glue it back together. So remember, not shorter than 35 centimeters. If you come here is the speed of how fast the wood would pass through the machine. You just make sure that it's pointing in the direction of the windows. That's a good speed for most kind of wood. It can take off a maximum of 3 millimeters at the time. So if you need to take off more, then you have to put it through 2 times. But I'll check this. See, it's 47, so I want it to be 45. So I write here 45, put the start. Then I'll start adjusted in. This is starting the machine. And then the important thing, the plane surface down. Don't stand behind it. And also if you sew, don't stand behind it. If you really go to the side, don't hold it underneath, because it might be lifted up a little bit. Come here, see, I'm pushing it in like this. Because when the walls get, whoop, it lifts up. And if I mark tape over there, it's good. Pick it up. And then I have to do the thickness. Now I'm standing here looking which side should I place. Can't really remember. But if you put your wood up in the light, here I can see two curves like that on the side of the wood. That would be from the table saw. On the other side, I have small waves going across. And that would be from the planer. So this is the plane side, so this would be the one to put down. And see it here, 22, here, 24. So I could say, I could make it 21. You can adjust the height while the machine is spinning. You don't have to turn off the machine to adjust the height. Then put it in. Turn it off. And there it is. I can go to this table saw and cut it in the right length. Because, well, we can't be certain that these ends are in an angle to the surface now because we planed it, things like that. So that's the reason why you have to, when you do solid wood, make it longer. 2, 3, 5 centimeters longer. Okay?